Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Kenzie.
And we're on a bachelorette weekend for... And today we are at Cades Cove in Gatlinburg,
Tennessee, baby.
So Cades Cove is a national park in Gatlinburg, Tennessee that is about, I think, 11 miles one-way drive. You can either drive, you can bike, you can walk. There's all kinds of stops along the way, and we're looking for
A bear.
A lion.
a tiger.
Oh my.
So let's get at it.
Okay, so we just picked up our booklets. This is a book all about Cades Cove, and when you look inside right here, you see a map of all the different stops that you can stop at. And then we also picked up a hiking trail map, which is for the whole entire park, so that we can go on some adventurous hikes.
Let's go. There's little stops along the way in Cades Cove where you can see little, what I would consider to be like old settlements. And in addition to that, there's little hiking trails. So we're taking a little hike up to a cabin.
And we heard a tree beaver.
Also known as a woodpecker.
It was a big woodpecker.
There are big woodpeckers. Conk, conk, conk. They're just thinking about the cartoon Woody Woodpecker and how fast he would peck.
We're too young. We don't even know what that is. It's like I'm kind of walking the deer.
We're gonna stop here for just a little snack because the view, oh my goodness.
No, I'm not. Oh, no.
You wanna get the metal finger? You wanna let her in the metal pens, or I'll do it.
So the bathrooms in Cades Cove on the trailer about 45 minutes in. I was worried they weren't gonna have one, but they do. We're going now.
So we've been out a lot of places on the trail and they're actually painting a lot of places. Taylor's gonna paint.
I'm gonna take up painting. It looks so fun.
That seems to be the thing to do, to come out to Cades Cove, bring out your stuff. There's so many beautiful places and do some painting.
Okay, so apparently there are some bears under the tree over there, and one went up the tree. So we're gonna see if we can see it. He's gonna say, hey babe.
Try to get you. Come on, man. Come on.
Close.
Mama and I locked eyes.
Oh,
She was close.
she wasn't really super big.
No.
I thought she was the baby at first,
did
and then
too.
the little ones behind her, they were so tiny.
I mean, that's like a highlight of the time.
Oh my gosh.
Of
So
my
cool.
life. Highlight
Right
of my
there.
life.
Cades Cove, definitely so cool.
We wanted to see wildlife and we sure did.
We saw turkeys and babies and a bear and babies and deer.
And
So many babies.
I saw more wildlife here than I did in Colorado the whole time.
That's amazing.
So cool. We were so close.
So we're coming to the end of Cades Cove, which is just a super relaxing drive. If you're looking for something to do that you can just relax and drive, or you can bring a picnic and have tons of places to stop and picnic, or you want to do hiking, there's tons of places to hike as well. You can spend an hour or two, or you can spend a full entire day. This is a great place to come and it's beautiful. So if you want to check out some of the more details of any of this, you can go to our website at www.befreebenson.com. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and give us and subscribe to our channel. As always, get out there, have an adventure, and be free.